in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool, but it was obvious, like ooh, they would be together. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. Maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, 'cause nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. Song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in the dress? Your heart's beating fast and you're sweating. You can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.